Here's how to withdraw your money from Fidelity. First, log into your Fidelity account and click the Transfers option at the top of the screen. From here, you'll need to choose the account you want to withdraw money from. Keep in mind that some accounts, such as certain IRAs or health savings accounts, may have restrictions on withdrawals. After selecting your account, choose where you want the money transferred. You can select a bank account already linked to Fidelity or link a new bank account if needed. Next, scroll down to the Transfer Details section. Here, you'll enter the amount you want to withdraw. Fidelity will also show you the transaction limit based on your account. For example, if your limit is 98% of the account value, you won't be able to withdraw more than that amount through the standard transfer option. If you need to withdraw more, you may need to contact Fidelity directly. Once you've entered the amount, click Continue. You'll then see a final verification screen showing your transfer details. Review everything carefully, and if it's correct, click Submit. After submitting the transfer, Fidelity will provide a confirmation number and send you an email confirming the transaction. That's all for this video. Thanks.